The tattoo is going to be on his left forearm, so it is important that the design flows with the anatomy of the arm. I love the idea of having a tattoo which is tailor made to the body part. The tattoo should look like a part of the arm and not just a patch over it. It should fit and flow in such a way that it looks mesmerizing to the eyes of the observer. So let's understand few important things to keep in mind before designing a portrait tattoo design for a forearm. The flow. In this context, the flow is the natural movement of the forearm. The way it opens up, the way it moves, the muscular structure, the bulge, basically the natural behavior and the structure of the forearm. Our design has to fit all of these seamlessly. The portrait on this part of the forearm looks immersive when it is facing outwards. The way it reveals the design when the arm opens up, it actually satisfies the curious aspect of the observer's mind, hence puts the observer in that awe moment. They love the way the tattoo reveals, like a sunrise. I do not recommend to put the design otherwise, like facing inward, because what will be visible when the arm is at the rest position is the hair part of the portrait, which creates no surprise effect, looks boring, like there is nothing attractive. However, the placement facing outward, which will actually show the eyes and the face, it will attract the observer's attention and nudge subconsciously the curious side of the mind, creating that awe moment. It is really important that you place the artwork in the correct direction, which goes with the flow. I also recommend adding lines or elements which flows with the anatomy of the arm. In this artwork, for example, the white lines are in sync with the anatomy of the arm.